A significant level is an elevated form of support or resistance. Okay, significant levels line up in many different periods, multiple different periods. A lot of people would think this area right here is going to be support once we've broken out above it. Well, sure it is, right? But did it matter anywhere else in the chart, right? Or is it just here? Well, if I put the line here, okay, I can see that this particular level kind of mattered here as well, right? If I go back in time, it didn't really matter that much anywhere else. I mean, it was part of the consolidation here. While that is support, it's not significant, okay? Plus, it's kind of right in the middle of the rotation zone. So now I'm kind of crossing the rotation zone with my significant level. My stop's going to be below that. So I want to move this to an area that is more significant, okay? So what I do is I kind of like move this line around until I find an area that looks like it's been touched multiple times by what I call significant candles, okay? What are significant candles? Big movers, okay? Long wicks, multiple touches, okay? Spikes in the past that have touched it, okay? Gaps, V-shaped reversals, okay? That creates a significant level for me. So the one I've just drawn here is my significant level, all right? And it's at about 222.99. So I'm going to place my stop below 222.99. It's below my significant level. It's below the rotation zone, and I'm going to place my stop below it as well. Now, a lot of people might look and say, well, what about this gap? Or what about this area here? Look, if the market drops down, first of all, this gap's already been filled here. Okay, this gap has been filled here. My significant level is here, so I'll probably put it below this low as well, and I'll put my stop somewhere, let's just call it 220.43. So in order to do that, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go ahead and fix that number at 220.43. And just so that we can see it differently, I'm going to make it red. I'll make it a dashed line. All right. So this is my stop area. Now, as the time comes close to opening, you can kind of see an opening range of where the stock is going to be. And on this particular day, the stock opened at 228.32. So I'm going to try and buy it as close as possible to 228.32 that I can. Okay. Well, first I have to see, do I have proper risk reward on this? Now, lows will be breaking up into new all-time highs, right? You can go back as far as you want. Well, new recent highs, because these are the all-time highs. But it's going to be breaking up into an area that it hasn't traded in recently, right? Remember I mentioned the concept of space? Space is an area of past price action where the candle colors are uninterrupted, okay? In other words, an uninterrupted down move is space, and an uninterrupted up move is space. When markets get into these areas, they tend to move fairly smoothly through those areas in the future, okay? Now, it's a difficult concept to grasp until you grasp it. Then you realize, wow, that was simple as hell.